So our tutorial for today is how to export or get NVA2K files and how to start up Blender. First, download this file. Next, go to your NVA2K folder and paste this. After you download this, paste this here. Then go to NVA2K1 Cyberface ID list. So I don't know the description. So export up data. You find Blender Foundation. So here, for example, DKMB Motombo. Let's try Kobe. Kobe. 6229 0195. So first, go to your manifest 7-zip. I edit with notepad. Control F, PNG 0195. That's Kobe. Control C, notepad. Phase 0195. Phase 0195 here. Control C, Control V, file save as the desktop, new folder, Kobe, and go back to NVA2K21. So open this up. Then one English, copy Kobe. No. Copy Kobe text and press enter. Then this folder, click this folder. Enter. So yeah, so you can see you already have this file. So how to set up Blender and Photoshop. First, download Intel PDS plugin. I already have this one, and you will get also this one. I already have this one. I don't need to download this one. I don't have it installed. Just click that and click your folder file. Where to paste this? Go to your Photoshop. Adobe 64. Go to plugins, file formats there. Then for the Blender, download those NVA2K tools. NVA2K tools. Blender. This one. Download this one. And go to your Blender folder. 2.79 scripts. PY. No. Add-ons. And copy this to, or copy this for everything. Replace and go to open Blender. Oh, how to get these files here. So open with 7-zip or extract files. open with open archive. You only need this one. Go to Photoshop again, Blender, and drag this and delete these three, and you can see crosshair. No mistake, my bad. Okay. UV image editor, then user preference add-ons, find NBA 2K. Save startup file. So yeah, open Photoshop. After you install the DDS plugin, you can already open Photoshop files. So open the desktop, Kobe, face color, save as PNG, PNG, and open Blender. You can see this here, import, and Kobe. I had seen it should be with the same folder. This two. This is from PNG 0195. Open, accept, import. As you can see, they're here. Then press Ctrl 1 to make it in front. Press 5 in the numpad. So click here. You can find the vertices here. These are the parts. For the cyberface making, you can only press A, apple, blend head shape, select, RI shape, select, and click Alt Z, notepad, Alt Z, tab for edit mode, A to unselect, and Alt Z to open texture already, so that image open. What will happen if you will not open, if you will not press Alt Z? That's right, face.png. No one will happen. Press Alt Z and select up, and RI shape, select, image open. This one. This is also in Google, and receive. You can find my edit. You can find my tutorial in sculpt mode, and how to export this one. Select, bring this down, and export. Kobe, new folder, export. Model, click model, accept, export. It will take a long time. This is like the save one. And that's all. How to save face color.dds and face normal. How to create it. Save as this one. These settings. For the face normal DDS you don't have alpha, so save normal.dds alpha color. Then thank you. That's all for today. See you guys next time.